Carrots are biennial, flowering in their second year of growth. In areas with mild winters, leave your carrots in the ground, mulching them heavily. The foliage will die back in autumn, but will then resprout and start to flower in the spring. Carrots grow into big plants, producing successive branches with large flat umbels of flowers. An umbel is a cluster of flowers that consists of short flower stalks, or pedicels, that spread from a common point. This cluster closely resembles the ribs or spokes of an umbrella. Umbels can be made up of compound or simple clusters. The size of these clusters can vary, and the shape can range from spherical to flat-topped. This arrangement of flowers is a major characteristic of the plant family Umbelliferae. Umbels, like all flowers and flower clusters, serve as a means of reproduction. Flowers also facilitate pollination, which is important for the health and longevity of a plant. Some vegetables like carrots and herbs like fennel, parsley, and dill are all considered umbels. Additionally, umbels are popular as ornamental plants because of their attractive flower clusters. Thank you for watching my video. More are coming soon. So please subscribe to my channel.